Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you the solution for Ticketastic live instance CTF from Hacker101 CTF. In order to solve the CTF, we have another instance called Ticketastic demo instance. We should run both of these. So I have started them. But first, let's view the hints for this particular instance. So the first hint says for flag 0, this level and Ticketastic demo instance are running the same code, which means in order to, that's why I said that in order to resolve this particular CTF, we should be running both the instances. So over here, we have a submit a ticket link and we have a admin login. And in this particular instance also, we have a submit a ticket link and admin login. But here we also have the admin, the username and password. And if we try the same credentials over here, that is the admin, it is invalid password. Let's go back. And over here, we have a submit ticket link. And if we submit a ticket, so test, thank you for submission. Let's see what happens if we create a ticket in this instance. So the same response. Let's go back to hints. Take a look at add user on the demo instance. What is missing? Okay, so let's first log into the application. Here we get an option to create a new user. So let's create a new user. I will also capture this request. So my username is going to be user and password is going to be test, the password test. Okay, let's just copy this particular thing and turn off the interceptor. Okay. Now another hint says that humans might read these tickets and interact with them. Links in tickets could be interesting. Okay, so what if I submit a ticket over here? Now the solution for for getting the first flag is to exploit Csrf. If there is a Csrf present, then we will be able to create a user and then log in with that user. So for that, we will do this. If is equal to, we just captured that particular endpoint and we saw that when we are creating a user, then the username and the password are going as a part of your URL, that is, it's a GET request. So we will do this localhost http localhost and paste that endpoint which we copied. So now what will happen is a link will be created in the ticket, and when the admin will click on that particular link, this URL will be requested for, and from localhost we are trying to create a new user. The admin's localhost will be this host. Just copy this thing and paste it over here, and let's also okay, let the username be user. Submit this ticket. Now wait for some time, go back, refresh this page, click on admin login. Our username was user and password was test. Okay, we have successfully logged into the application. That means Csrf attack was successful. Now here we get to see three tickets over here. Click on this link. and we have got two flags, but these are not the two flags that we are looking for. One of them flag is right and one of the flag is not right. So this means we have just found flag 0 and we still need to look for the flag 1. Okay, let's go back to hints and see what are the hints for flag 1. How do others log into the instance? The login form reveals more than it should, so that's the ticket endpoint. Okay, let's look at the ticket endpoint. Here we have id is equal to 1, and as in the case whenever we have something like this, just straight away go for the SQL injection. Try if SQL injection is possible. So for that we'll do this, and here we have got a stack trace, which means that this particular instance is indeed vulnerable to SQL injection. So to make sure, we'll do few more things, and that will be okay. Let's try this. So this id parameter is not only vulnerable to SQL injection but is also exploitable. Okay, now we need to find out the number of columns that are present in the SQL query which is like working over here. So for that we will do this. Just keep increasing this number till you again start getting that stack trace. So that means the three columns in the SQL query that is working over here. Now do this. We'll do union select 1, 2, 3. So this is to check where the values from these columns are being displayed. Okay, so the first column is displayed over here, the second is over here, and third is over here. Fine. Now we need to find out the version of the database. We can do this version, and database name can be extracted from this. So the database name is level 7 and the database version is over here. Fine. Now we need to find out the table name. So for that we will do table underscore name from information underscore schema dot tables. Although we have got a table name all underscore plugins, but this is the first table name that was extracted from informations underscore schema dot tables. So we need to find out that table that we are interested in, that is tables from this particular database. So for that we will add where clause we have got tickets table, but there can be more tables in this particular database. So we will use another method over here. So there are two tables in this particular database, tickets and users, and users table seems to be useful for us. Now we need to find out the username and password from this database. For this we will craft our query now, but before that we need to find out the columns that are present in this particular table. So for that we will do this group underscore concat column underscore name. The logic behind this is the same as we did in finding out the table names. Column underscore name from information underscore schema dot tables, where table underscore schema is equal to database. And here we will just change this to columns, and we will add another AND clause, and table underscore name is equal to users. So there are 3 columns in this particular table: username and password. Fine, just write password over here. 3 from information. Now we don't need this, we just need from users, where user name is equal to admin. And here we have got our second flag. So with this, we have found both the flags for this particular instance. I hope you like this video. If yes, then do comment on and let me know about it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such contents. I will be back with another video. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.